We believe in hard work and the best expectations from our jobs. We keep high standards in place each time we move forward to serve. The new independent entrepreneur. We introduce the Helping Tools Guide and control tables to the drivers and the furniture assembling person.
As drivers and assembling furniture's person, we have gained important experience. It is related to the activities of deliveries, trips, transport of people, food or goods from point A to point B, and the assembling of furniture at home. Years, hours and miles, we have strived to perform our best services for people. It has given us the way of living and experience to help others get involved in this business with a clear understanding of it. This presentation is just an example of how you can achieve a goal, and of course we recommend our product to help you to get organized and sure of your doings. With some tips, own experiences, and general information related to this business, you can be sure that you know the basics of it. and the control tables to learn more about the business. Get ready to be a better driver and assembling person to pursue the goals at your max capacity. Professionally, get ready to be an independent entrepreneur. As a delivery, driver, or assembling furniture person, you must keep records of your work. These records will help you to cope with some issues related to taxes, expenses, and gains in doing this job. The control table page can be used daily. You will have exact data on records, on hand. You will not depend on an app to get the information. This worksheet comes in Excel. If you agree to price, it can be downloaded from the Etsy website. Just go to the address shown and get the files. Once you fill in your data, you will be able to print the sheets and get the information on hand for your files. https://www.etsy.com/shop/helpercoin